When they come from miles around, Twin Smokehouse gets down. We're talking chicken, pork, and that tender beef. And catfish Fridays, man, they just can't be beat. So if you're rolling through the LBC, Twin Smokehouse BBQ is the place to eat. We got greens, beans, mac and cheese, potato salad made to please. Come on down to 1515 West Willow, yeah, just off the Long Beach Freeway. Now you know where the flavors flowing. Sausages and rib tips right off the end. Twin Smokehouse, say it again.